Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to host a challenge in the CoverStar app. If you want to host a challenge on CoverStar, it's important to know that regular users cannot create official CoverStar challenges themselves. And what you need to do is only the selected and hosted by CoverStar, and the platform chooses creators whose content stands out. So firstly, you need to open your CoverStar app and you need to create the original high quality video consistently. You can go to your plus icon in the bottom and participate in trending challenges and use the popular sound. And you need to follow the community guidelines and keep your content positive and creative, and grow your audience by posting regularly and engaging with the CoverStar community as well. And if your content stands out, CoverStar may invite you to host a future challenge, and there are no fixed follow requirements or guaranteed qualifications. And that is all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.